12-lead ECG in 10 seconds. Kardia 12L. The easiest way to acquire a 12-lead ECG, making critical data accessible in more places, more often. User Guide, for healthcare professional use only. Setting up your Kardia 12L for the first time. Download the KardiaStation application from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store by scanning the QR codes for the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Be sure to use a compatible iOS or Android device. Check the compatible device list at a LiveCore website. Do not use the Kardia 12L device with unsupported software. Verify that you have the KardiaStation app installed on your device. Log in into KardiaStation app through self-service portal-generated credentials. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your smartphone or tablet settings. Launch the app and follow the instructions on screen. You will then be taken to the home screen of the KardiaStation app. How to record a 12-lead ECG with Kardia 12L. Kardia 12L has just 3 components. First, the ECG module. Second, the patient wire, a single cable with 5 snap connectors. And third, KardiaStation mobile app for smartphones and tablets. Begin by searching for your patient. Use name or MRN. Or press Add Patient if they are not already in your system. During ECG assessment, the patient should be supine, their skin at the ankles, chest and arms below the elbows should be exposed. Clean the areas where you will place electrodes with alcohol prep pads to remove dirt and oil, and allow the areas to dry. Place the gel electrodes in one of the following lead sets, based on the patient's symptoms as guided by the KardiaStation app. Default lead set 1, V2, V4, RA, LA, and LL. Alternate lead set 2, V1, V4, RA, LA, and LL. The KardiaStation app will assist in selecting the appropriate lead set by asking about the patient's symptoms, such as chest pains or palpitations, and will automatically recommend the suitable lead set for the ECG recording based on this clinical representation. The user may manually select a different lead set and/or mode of operation based on their preference. Note: electrodes with snap connections or tab connections can be used. Tab electrodes require snap-to-tab adapters for connecting them to the wire leads. For accurate measurements, proper electrode placement is crucial. Electrode placements: V1, 4th intercostal space to the right of the sternum. V2, 4th intercostal space to the left of the sternum. V4, 5th intercostal space at the mid-clavicular line. RA placement: anywhere between the right elbow and right wrist. LA placement: anywhere between the left elbow and the left wrist. LL placement: anywhere below the left knee and above the left foot. Once placed, press the Record ECG button on the KardiaStation app. Then, turn on the module to begin recording. The signal quality ring may be yellow at the beginning, but it will turn green when the signal is clean, and once the ring is solid green, the recording is complete. Next, tap Save in the app, then tap Upload. To generate a full report, tap the PDF Report button. Finally, remove the connectors and electrodes from the patient, and the Kardia 12L module will turn off automatically. Be sure to clean and disinfect the device, cable, and adapters before and after every use. Use one of the approved cleaning and disinfection agents as alcohol-based disinfecting wipes, Sani wipes, or benzethonium chloride-based disinfecting wipes, Cavi wipes. Ensure the device is turned off before cleaning and disinfecting. Kardia 12L. Hospital-grade accuracy. The easiest way to acquire a 12-lead ECG